Good afternoon ho sa atin lahat. No? I'm Congressman Presley De Jesus of PIRECA Party List. PIRECA stands for Philippine Resilient Electric Consumers and Electric Cooperatives Alliance. With me is Congressman Serge Dago of APEC Party List, yung Association of Philippine Electric Cooperatives. Siguro magtataka kayo, but dalawa kami, no? We represent the energy sector, the power sector, no? So, mga naipasa namin batas, no? Yung Lifeline Consumer, strengthening the Joint Congressional Energy Commission, yung Philippine Energy, yung sa Institute, o yung tinatawag natin PERPI, at marami pa kaming naipasa, no? Kanina, no? I was taking a bath nung sinabi nung former COMELEC Commissioner that there was a lack of power supply sa Siargao. Congressman Dago is the General Manager of Siargao Electric Cooperative. Maybe later on, pwede niya explain sa inyo. So, hindi po totoo yung mga sinasabi lang yan. Again, I would like to give the microphone to Congressman Dago. Later on, after niya magsalita, we will take some questions from you guys.
Thank you, Kong Presley. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ang Association of Philippine Electric Cooperatives Party List ay isa po sa pinakaunang party list na sumabak noong unang implementation ng party list law noong 1998. Ang inyong abang lingkod ay pang-18 na po mula noong 1998 na kinatawan ng APEC Party List, at marami na pong batas na nagawa ang APEC Party List mula noong 1998. At ang mga batas na yan ay kasama yung Electric Power Industry Reform Act of 2001 na kasalukuyan din natin ngayong binabalangka sa Kongreso upang amindahan yung mga nakikita nating dapat baguhin para maibsan yung taas na singil ng kuryente na sa tingin natin ay pwede pa nating maibaba. Okay. Sa 18th at 19th Congress, marami na rin po kami ng PILRECA, kasamang PILRECA, na mga resolusyon na naipile at mga batas na nagbibigay